Yes, this is Joaquin Phoenix, and this was during his younger days. So Vaibhav gets 10, and
Also, hi everyone. Sorry about the delay.
no, it's fine. Abhijit, this is for you.
Yep. Coffee beans.
Nice. That is my niece, by the way. So she seems very high on coffee. So Abhijit gets 10, and Mukesh gets this question. Why is this moment? Why is this momentous in cricketing history? This particular moment.
Maybe this is the first hat trick.
नहीं हैट्रिक तो बहुत पहले हो चुका है. So no, it's not hat-trick. Devin?
In India winning the World Cup.
नहीं World Cup में white कपड़ा क्यों पहने हो? Unless we're talking about 1975 and 79. But no. What about Meg?
I looks Indian. This is Australian or England, but it is for the cricket history. So is it first century ever?
Not first. First century happened much earlier, no, before television. So, what about Nitin?
Is this the bowlers look Australian? Is this Shane Warne's ball of the century or his first dusra?
You will get 5 points at least for mentioning Shane Warne. So if somebody else can build on that, at least 5 is for grabs. Abhimanyu?
Oh, Shane Warne's first wicket or debut?
Debut to nahi hai, but something related to first. So I'll complete the round. Snehal?
My guess was debut. So he said that. Wait. He crossed the 700 wicket barrier.
No, that happened much later. Okay. What about Vaibhav?
First spinner to get a 5-wicket haul on his debut.
नहीं कुछ और हो रहा है यहाँ.
90-degree turn of the ball. I don't know.
वो वही है जो नितिन ने
Ball of the
कहा
century.
Ball of the century.
Ball of the century.
Yeah, Mike Gatting वाला. But that's not the answer I'm looking for. Abhijit?
Your first 10-wicket innings, 10 wicket in the match.
That's Kumble, I think.
Oh damn.
So the batsman that you see on the other side is actually Sachin. So
oh wow.
Yeah, so that's why it was this moment, because they shared this long rivalry, right? So since Nitin got most points, we'll have to go to Abhimanyu.
Oh.
So what does this bill highlight?
Yes, Mr. Oh, I'll pass. I'll not take up.
Cool. Snail. So if you read whatever is seen there, and I've covered certain things, but I want us something very specific. Like if you look at the color of the paper, if you look at the prices there, कुछ तो हो रहा है. So I just want the reference. मतलब क्या चल रहा है यहाँ? So Snail, I think.
Ramanujan related?
Nothing to do with any famous personality per se. कुछ और है. The hint is obviously America. So I want you to build on all these factors. अब मुझे एक conclusion दो. Vaibhav?
Teaching assistant का billable like as a stipend for the something as a teaching assistant in the university.
Think on the other side. Instead of thinking of the teaching staff, think of the student. तो वो आंसर है. I'll move. Abhijit.
I'm blank. I don't have any guesses.
Acha.
I'll think over it.
Cool. I'll come back to you for 5 points. Mukesh.
I have a guess. Sorry, I have a guess.
Yeah,
Is
Abhimanyu,
this-
come to you.
Is this the first fake result prepared or the fake mark sheet prepared?
ये real है. Devin.
हार्वर्ड का कॉलेज फी बिल.
Nice. So build on that. कुछ चल रहा है मतलब. What do you see? मतलब I'll give you the points. Okay, you at least mentioned the college and bill. So I just wanted someone to see कि मतलब वो time में rate क्या था देखो. So the rate just went on exponentially so high that आज के तारीख में in America, if you want to study, you'll be ending up with a lot of debt, student loan debt.
सब्जेक्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन भी अजीब ही था.
हाँ, बहुत strange.
Economics,
I mean,
algebra, I can
I
understand,
think-
but chemistry along with that.
Along with the whole-
Chemistry and algebra. I was like, what is
Shakti, what did you darken over there? Just out of curiosity.
it was the name of the professors. Like I didn't want to like
Professors.
Yeah, I didn't want you to guys to focus on the professor because the professors are related. I just wanted you to focus on the students. So that's why.
I think that's why America is a huge issue for student debt. Every day there is a protest.
Since nobody got this one and Abhimanyu already got the previous question, we'll have to go to Snehal. So what are we looking at here? If you can even tell me the name of the country, no, that will get you some points. I can hear some dog barking in the background, so please mute yourself.
Denmark.
Denmark is closer to the answer geographically. Weber?
Sweden.
No. Abhijit?
Somewhere in Netherlands.
Nice. So what are we looking at here? You'll get points for mentioning.
I think it's the most I don't remember the brand, and I think it's one of the most famous office for manufacturing unit, but I'm not sure. Biggest office or the biggest setup for a particular industry.
Achha. What is so special about it?
I'm going for the largest production of the largest size. That's my answer.
I'll complete the round. You'll get some points for mentioning the name of the country. Mukesh?
Mukesh, you're on mute.
Mukesh, you're on mute.
So is this IKEA?
No, it's not IKEA. But something else is happening here. So, Devin?
a floating city of Netherlands?
Nice. So they are building floating basically communities and all because they know that pani to badne wala hai. So they're already designing on that front. So Abhijit gets 3 points for mentioning mentioning Netherlands, and David gets 10 for mentioning floating. And we go to make for this direct question. What is this map all about? Look at the map.
This looks very old. This is. Wait.
Has a very Lord of the Rings vibe, but no.
So it's a real map. Right?
कहाँ दिख रहा है मिडल अर्थ या तुझे?
The vibe is so like that.
Is it the map of our galaxy?
No, not galaxy. Something in galaxy. Nitin?
Is this the map of the moon, the dark side of the moon, or?
Yes.
Oh.
It's a solid 10. There were many hints that Luna, Terra, and Sea of Tranquility. Abhimanyu, this is for you. Just connect this to Renaissance. Renaissance में कुछ हुआ था. Connect it to ये design जो दिख रहा सामने. So if you can even tell me the person associated with it, that is more than enough. If you can tell me what exactly is happening in this image, that is also great. But the hint is obviously Renaissance. So
पर्सन का बताने क्या? Okay.
बता दो तो फिर ठीक है.
I don't know. Joan of Arc?
नहीं, Joan of Arc because
नहीं.
of the नहीं, that's not the right answer.
No,
Snehal?
okay. Sorry.
मेरा टर्न है.
Yeah.
To crusade related something. Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
Crusade related.
नहीं, Crusade से related नहीं है, Renaissance से related है. Webber?
Related to Da Vinci.
Yes.
And ये I think अंदर का mechanism है for automated movements.
Yeah. So NASA has used that design, which was created by him more than 500 years ago. So they are using it in space exploration.
Robots. Yeah.
So Webber gets 10 for mentioning